You're under contract on a house, and your dream is finally within reach, and then you lose your job. It's a nightmare scenario for any home buyer. But believe it or not, losing your job doesn't always mean your deal is dead. What happens next depends on how quickly you respond and make a new plan. Your lender isn't just handing over a loan. They're trusting that you can pay it back every month without fail. That's why a verification of employment, also known as a VOE, is required within 10 days of closing, sometimes even on the day the loan is supposed to close. Even if you've already been fully approved in underwriting, the lender will slam on the brakes when it finds out that you're out of a job. First, tell your lender right away. Don't wait. They'll find out during the final VOE anyway. Ask your lender to put things on pause while you figure out an action plan. Next, reassess your situation. Can you find another job quickly and at a similar income? If it could take you months to find another job, you may want to consider backing out of the home purchase. This may involve losing your earnest money, but in the end, losing that chunk of money is better than the damaged credit due to late payments or a foreclosure. If you decide to proceed, check when your lock expires and ask for an extension. Then you'll want to work with your real estate agent to request an extension from the seller. Ask for enough time to find another job and receive your first check, at least 3 to 4 weeks, probably longer. Then it's time to find a job in the same industry and start as quickly as you can. The lender can use your new employment information with an employment offer. Ideally, you'll receive your first pay stub before closing your loan. In this case, the lender can reapprove the loan using your new income. And in some cases, the lender can use just the employment contract to close the loan. But you need to start within 90 days of closing and meet cash reserve requirements. So, is there a way to save the deal without a new job? In rare cases, yes. Show that you have other means to make your payments. That could be 1, significant savings or cash reserves. 2, income from a spouse or a partner. 3, investment incomes that's well documented. Every situation is different, but the right lender may have creative solutions based on your full financial picture. If the loan falls through, you could lose your earnest money deposit unless you include a financing contingency in your contract. But overall, this may be a better option than missing payments or even losing the house after buying it. Above all, stay informed, stay calm, and protect both your finances and your future home. For more tips on navigating the home buying process, even when life throws you a curveball, visit mortgageresearch.com. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and tap the bell for future updates. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and keep pushing forward on your path to home ownership.